In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find an archived channel in Slack. If you've ever worked in a vibrant Slack workspace, you know that channels can be archived to keep the environment organized. At times, you might need to revisit these archived channels to reference past conversations or documents. Let's walk through how to efficiently locate an archived channel. First thing, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Slack. You can do this by simply typing Slack into your Google search bar and selecting the Slack website from the results that pop up. Alternatively, if you have the desktop app installed on your computer, it might be more convenient to start there. Once the website or the app is launched, you'll usually be prompted to sign in. Enter your email address to sign in directly. If you prefer, you can opt to sign in using your Google or Apple account, depending on which credentials are linked to your Slack. Once you're logged in, you may be asked whether you'd like to open Slack in the desktop app or use it through your browser. If the desktop app is installed, using it can provide a more streamlined experience, so go ahead and open it there. If not, simply continue using Slack in your browser. Now that you're in Slack, it's time to delve into your specific workspace. If you're part of multiple workspaces, select the one where the archived channel is located. You should see it listed somewhere on your Slack homepage. With the appropriate workspace open, direct your attention to the sidebar. Locate the channel's drop-down menu. You may need to scroll slightly if your list is extensive. Click on this drop-down and you'll see an option for Browse Channels. Let's select this option. When you do this, a new page or panel will appear, showing various channel-related options. Look for the Filters button, which you'll typically find right beside the section labeled Organizations or similar wording. Click Filters to start narrowing down our selection to the archived channels. With the filter panel open, look for the section labeled Channel Type. This is where you can select precisely what kind of channels you'd like to view. Choose the option for Archived. This will refine your view to only display archived channels, making it much easier to find what you're looking for. Finally, click on the Search button. This action will reveal a list of all the archived channels in your chosen workspace. At this point, you should be able to see the archived channel you're interested in. From here, you can browse the channel's contents as needed. Following these steps should make accessing archived information straightforward and painless, so you can quickly find what you need. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide simplifies your Slack experience.